Hello, this is Anna from BIMobject, and today I introduce you the BIMobject made by Siderval, leader in the production of hot extruded special steel and titanium profiles. We need to add a Siderval product, so we can use the Integrate BIMobject app for Revit. To search it, we can use the filters or write the name of the brand, and we can see the first product. We choose Profile TX. After the choose, we can find the product page of the object. In this page, we find some data, pictures, descriptions, and links for Siderval website for further information of this product. Then we have classifications, the list of countries where the product is available. Thanks to the product page, you can also contact Siderval and follow it to be always updated about Siderval's releases. There is also the possibility to mark this product as a favorite one and see it in our BIM board. Now the download. Thanks to BIMobject app, the object is automatically downloaded in Revit and is ready to be inserted in the project. TX BIM is a steel bar made by hot extrusion. This particular process is that special shapes can be released on the customer drawings. The type property data shows the information available for this product, such as the material, and we can find also the links of the website and the specifications. Now we add another Siderval profile. In the same way as before, the object is inserted in the project. This product can be used for structural and mechanical applications. Thanks to the BIMobject app, we can always check the update of the product. And with Properties button, we can add further data. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy with Siderval products.